What's up, everybody? It's your boy Junior from the Florida Ski Riders and June's World. Today I'm coming to you to show you how to prepare your jet ski for the ramp. A lot of people like to just lock up and load and just take off and go to the ramp and then hold up the ramp, you know, setting up, trying to get into the water. So what I'm trying to show you guys today is how to do this, how to prepare your skis before you even leave your house or your shop. Go grab the key, stick it in the ignition, crank it up. Hit the gas a couple times, make sure your ski is working properly before you go to the ramp. I can tell you a lot of people I know going to the ramp and literally started it up right there and the battery was completely dead. Don't be that guy. Make sure your equipment is working properly. Basically, first thing you do is walk around the jet skis, make sure that the trailer is properly looking proper, tires are looking good. Make sure your jet ski is strapped to the trailer. A lot of people don't like to strap their skis, but it's a big thing. You need to have your skis strapped to your trailer, because God forbid you have to swerve, you have to stop, your ski is going to be loose back there and it can fly off or come around and hit somebody. It can be very, very dangerous. So please strap your skis down. Make sure you come to the front of the ski and check for the straps. Make sure the straps, the winch, everything is secured and the jet ski is sitting on this platform nice and flat. All right. Make sure you have your fire extinguishers. There's a lot of laws out there. You may want to check your local laws to make sure that you are in line. But here in Florida, we have to have a fire extinguisher on our ski. We have to have a whistle on our vest, just in case. And of course, we have to wear vests while we're on these PWCs. So with that, guys, make sure that you take the right precautionary safety measures so you guys stay safe on the water. Never forget to put your plugs in. Always do that. I always cross. Lock the latch in. Cross it like that. Lock your latch in. Wrap the cord around and plug it in. And always put a lock. So guys, with that, I hope you guys have an awesome time on the water. Be safe. Make sure you understand your ski before you go running it out to the ramp and causing just mayhem there with other people trying to come in and out. You don't want to be that person to lock it all up. So make sure you take care of everything before you actually hit the ramp. So make sure you guys are safe this weekend and make sure you take all the precautionary needs that you need to stay safe. With that, I'm June from June's World, Florida Ski Riders. Peace out.